everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have the Craft Box Quarterly Craft Box, the Autumn Magic version. This is a gorgeous luxury craft product from craftbox.uk. Definitely check them out in the link below. I am a design team member for them. I did purchase this package. They do release these quarterly, and they also have special releases, which are my absolute favorite. But let's see what's inside. Okay, beautifully packaged by Anna Hersom, as always. This is original Anna Hersom, with you since 2015, thoughtfully created in the UK. And look at that box of gorgeousness. Let's see if I can get this lid out of the way for us. Okay, first up are these gorgeous flowers. Look at all those colors, definitely autumn magic. And then we have, look at the packaging. The packaging is spot on too, I love that. And I always reuse the packaging that they I use the plastics for paint palettes, and then I take the plastic off and use the inside, sorry for the noise, because it's always so beautifully decorated. So I'll use the decoration on these. This is a box of charms. I guess it's a tin of charms. Which is, oh, there's so many in here. Look at that. This is a giant pumpkin. And then there's hats and leaves. And today's November 1st, so it's a perfect day for me. Everyone is saying it's time for Christmas, and I think it's now time for fall. Since Halloween is over, there are a couple Halloween things in here. It does take a little while for me to get these packages because she ships them from the UK and I'm in the US. So that's why it might be a little Halloween themed, but not fully. It's more of a magic themed box. So this, ooh, what is this? Ooh. Let's see if I can get the little tab out. Without making a disaster of my desk, Jen. Alright, let's put this back in. Okay, so now that I took the little Tabby out of the batteries, let's turn her on. Oh, that is so cute! Oh, I love that. I'll have to save that for next Halloween. Okay, next we have some ephemera. And it looks like we are magic themed again. So brooms and potion bottles and owls. I love their ephemera for my journaling. Oops. Luggage, lamps, there's a robe. So we'll definitely do a Harry Potter themed journal with this stuff. Look at that. Oops, sorry, a magic themed journal with this stuff. Very cool. Let's see what this big one is. Oh, it's a train. Love it. Love it to love it. Okay, next we have this gorgeous box. So it looks like we can make a wooden box this month, or this quarter I should say. Looks like it's perfect for a magic box. Or maybe a little potion, make some potion shelves in there or something. Then we have some mixed media sparkling souffle. This looks like it's in like a champagne color. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's see what that looks like. Let's just put a little bit on the back of this, and we'll let that dry. So we can look at that afterwards. And then, oops. And then we also have a purple, oh, this one's gorgeous. Look at that color. This one is same thing, Sparkle Souffle. This color was Alchemy, and this color is Divination. So they're magic glasses. Oh, that's gorgeous. We'll see what those look like when they dry. And these bottles are so full. Okay, we'll let those sit and dry and keep looking at what we have in here. This is a snip art, which is, I always forget the word, chipboard. These are chipboards that are laser cut by Snip Art. Potion bottles, this one is a hand, I believe, with a little globe. And then alchemy stuff, so that's cool. Here is a frame. Oh, that's really cool. Then we've got some leaves. A cool Snip Art stencil. Very potion-y themey. And then we've got our papers. So we've got the Autumn Magic 6x6 paper pad, which has 10 designs, 2 of each. And they're one-sided, which is awesome. I like the one-sided because then I don't have to decide which side I want to use. I can have it all. Very nice. And then we have a companion pad. So this is 8x8, 20 designs, 20 single-side sheets. So one of each design. Oh, looks like we have some ephemera we can cut out. Lots of ephemera we can cut out. And these do look like duplicates actually. 20 designs, 20 six-sided, 20 single-sided sheets, but they look identical, so. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, oh gorgeous, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think that was 10, 9, 10 of these. Oh, there's more. I didn't count very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those. So 8 with a design and 12 with just the colors, which are gorgeous. And then we have the 8x8 Autumn Magic. So this is the same as the 6x6, it looks like. It's just bigger to give you options in for all your journaling needs. Oh, the little cover sheet's falling. Sorry about that. I am in a new house. I have a new setup I'm still working on, so apologies for that. But gorgeous, gorgeous. And let's see what this is looking like. Oh, that is so pretty. Can you see that sparkle? So there you have it. That is the quarterly Craftbox Autumn Magic by craftbox.uk. Definitely check them out from the description box below. They are one of my favorite companies. Thanks for watching.